project started way long, 2016. It was to be complete by 2017, 1 year. It took a little bit of time, it is told. We were here several times in 2021. We recommended for the completion of this project. The project is now at the final stages, and our anticipation is that it be completed with the little works remaining.
We are putting all the contractors according to on notice. We want value for money from all the contractors. If any contractor continues doing work which is substandard, those contractors will be blacklisted. This government is very serious on the construction work, and we would like the contractors to try their level best and finish their project within the contract period. Otherwise, the tendency of delays in construction work and the variation business has become too common. This is frustrating the government efforts to complete most of its projects in the financial year, and therefore we are looking forward to contractors who have the capacity to do the work. If you are signed any contract in Garissa, we expect you to do the work and to completion without much variation.